Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about Polkadot per popular demand because it has broken up and rallied all the way to its all-time high at $48.30. And in this video we're going to be talking about a bunch of different chart formations that indicate that Polkadot could be going as high as $100 in the next 12 months. If you want to find out where Polkadot is going next, then you found the right video. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Guys, Polkadot has been on a tear ever since it bottomed out at $10 back here on the 20th of July, and over the last couple of days, it has rallied significantly. In fact, just today, Polkadot rallied from $43 all the way up to a local high of $49.30, which was its previous all-time high, as set back here on the double top on May the 15th and April the 17th. Polkadot also finds itself in an ascending triangle pattern right now, which is actually a pretty bearish thing. This ascending triangle pattern indicates that Polkadot should be breaking to the downside, and if it were to do that, it would have a price target down here of around $30. This right here, guys, I want to get out of the way first and foremost in this video, is the worst case scenario. If Polkadot does reject here in double top, it could come as low as $30, but I'm more inclined to believe that something more bullish is going to happen. Let's take a look here at one of my favorite indicators, which is Lux Algo. We can see that there was a strong buy signal that happened back here on the 8th of October, and our trend catcher reversed right over here on the 7th of October. Remember what I've told you guys before about my strategy of using the trend catcher, Lux Oscillator's actual, Lux Algo's actual signals, and then Lux Oscillator down here? We saw the Lux Oscillator start reversing back here on the 29th of September, which was at the bottom, and then we saw these two signals, the trend catcher and the strong buy signal, confirm that uptrend, and we've been moving to the upside ever since. And in fact, that's not the only bullish thing that shows up on the daily chart. We can also see that there is bullish, that there is a bullish MACD cross coming in, and if we close today up here around $48 and continue moving to the upside, then we are going to close bullish, and that will be a very good sign. On top of that, if you look back in history, this will actually be the highest, as far as I can tell, bullish MACD cross that has ever happened in the history of Polkadot, which would definitely be a good sign of strength for the bulls. On top of that, if we take a look here at the volume, you can see that we actually did see volume spike above average recently, and looking out on the daily chart, something even more important that is even more bullish is that, according to some, we are forming what is known as an inverse head and shoulders pattern right now on Polkadot. Now, I will say this inverse head and shoulders pattern argument makes for a bit of an ugly pattern, but it does technically exist, and if we were to break bullish out of this bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern, then that would drive Polkadot to a price target of $88, which could see Polkadot rally well higher than it currently sits. And by the way, it currently sits at rank number 8, and it is the #1 interoperability protocol in the cryptocurrency space, which is a massive deal because it helps to bring together all kinds of other cryptocurrency projects like Ethereum, like Cardano, like Solana, etc. I am very bullish on this project, and the technicals right now are definitely backing that up. Now, one final thing I want to show you is that there was some bullish RSI divergence that was playing out on Polkadot a couple of months ago. That has started to push us to the upside here, and I think it is still in play, so definitely keep an eye out for that. However, on the flip side, there is also some bearish RSI divergence that has been in effect for the last couple of months, so definitely watch out for that. What's my conclusion here? Polkadot, with the worst case scenario, could fall below this uptrending level of support as a result of this bearish RSI divergence and this rising wedge, and pull back to support around $30. But then from there, I expect, based on fundamentals and a heatening cryptocurrency market, that it would bounce and rally back to $50 and beyond. But if it doesn't fall to the downside here and it does start to break to the upside here, then we could very easily start moving on our way up to that $88 price target as put in place by this inverse head and shoulders pattern. But that is only going to be able to happen if the rest of the cryptocurrency market starts moving in a big way. A lot of what Polkadot is going to do from here is going to be dependent on how Bitcoin and the altcoin market moves. But if the altcoin market and the Bitcoin market allow for Polkadot to take off by being at least remotely bullish, then the future for Polkadot looks very bright. I'm very excited about the project itself, and I'm also very excited about the chart. Tell me in the comment section down below, did you invest in Polkadot back when it was around $5 or $10? And if you did invest in Polkadot, when did you first buy this cryptocurrency? I'd love to hear it down below. And also, if you enjoyed today's video, like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It's looking like we're going to hit a 200K subs here in the next couple of days. We just hit 100K subs back in May, so thank you very much to all of our new subscribers. That's all I got for you today. day. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real